Hi, Tommy. I'm your fairy tale here in the nature, Tommy. Tommy, I love you so much, Tommy. You know, Tommy, I feel in my heart you are my forever in my life, Tommy. I love you so much. Mwah. Hi, Brandon. I want to see you again here in the coconut farm, Brandon. Brandon, I miss you so much every day, Brandon. You know, Brandon, I want to every day to see you, Brandon. Brandon, take care always. I love you. Hi, Mark. Mark, I'm flying without wings. I love you, Mark. You know, Mark, I'm on the way in the air, Mark. Mark, I recharged my wings to go to you, Mark, because I want to see you, Mark. I love you, Mark.